In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete kudos or likes, what is called likes on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Strava application if you already have it on your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and actually open the application up. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and actually create a new account with the option that will provide you with. Of course, they'll give you three options: the Google option, the Facebook option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to actually delete kudos on the Strava application. So normally, if you want to delete kudos, of course, you can just go to whatever post on your home screen. Normally, it should be one of your posts. Of course, here you can find other people posts. If you have some friends, you can actually even like created some posts, photos, manual activities, or even like delete or edit some of your posts if you want. But what we said, we would like to delete some kudos. So of course now, let's say as an example about this activity, we can just go and click add this like option, which is the kudo, as you can see here, kudos. So this activity currently does not have any kudos. But if someone liked this actually activity, you will have their name here and who likes it. Of course, you can delete this kudos, and if you don't know how or that didn't want to delete for you, you can just look for that name of the person and go to their profile and actually block them so their kudo will be deleted if you want to delete it actually, and if there's no way of deleting the kudo from here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.